Hey guys, this is Hong and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do some scratching because the program is Scratch. Not a good pun, but yeah. So first we have to go to the events column, go put the when flag is clicked button. So whenever this green flag is clicked, your program will run. The program column is here. This is the area where you display. You can make it big or small. This is your sprites. This is your backdrop, and this is all your script stuff. And this Scratch is the one of the most easiest programming softwares you can use. The other one is Python. Yeah, but Python requires you to type and all those stuff. But if you are lazy to type, just drag. You can drag and drop, and you can make your own program or animation and game in this software. Let's get started. So first, when flag is clicked, we want it to move forward. Okay, so let's move it. Want it to move forward 10 steps. So move 10 steps every time. Can't you see? But he will go out of the map. You only can see his thing. We don't want him to do that, so we have put a if edge bounce. Then whenever he moves, I don't want clicking the flag. I will go to the controls, put a forever loop down there. So yeah, it will move like this. But you see the cat will turn around whenever he touches the wall at this side. So we want go motion, go rotate, set rotations down to left and right. So whenever he moves, it will like do that. Okay, so there's costumes here, which you can change. The sounds, which we will call meow sound. Yeah. So what? Let's just say we want it to switch costume whenever he moves. And let's just put 1 second, so and not it's very long, 0.1. It's like clicking soccer ball. So what if we want your arrow keys to move using move using the arrow keys? So let's just delete this program and let's restart. So whenever a key is pressed, for example, we are it to move left and right arrow, go to motion. You can make it change move is X, change X by 10. So whenever I press the right arrow and move by 10. Okay, if I duplicate this, have it so I put it left arrow, it's not change by Y make it up and down, so we had to put it -10. So yeah, it works. But we still need to have the if edge bounce. So forever put the if edge bounce. So like this, if edge bounce. Wait, this one, whatever if edge bounce, you must put it with this. So whenever this thing is clicked, we'll do a cleanup, so it will be done. Okay, so it will move and it will turn. Very cool. So next, we want it to, whenever we move it will change costume. So like this. Dun, dun, dun. But whenever I want to move back, it doesn't look at this side. It looks at the other side where we are going to walk to, right? So you can do this. They get a motion, get a point in direction. This is right, 90 is right. We duplicate this, put it here. have this to go left. So whenever we move it like this, move. Dun, 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 dun. Now you have know the basics. You will move, you will run. This is one of the basics. Or if you want to shorten this statement, you can go to sensing. Sensing, you can put when key is pressed, you put one right, we change this like this. So but you see that different type. This one is like this blocky type, this one with this arrow type, and this one in the operation there is addition and subtraction, which is all the circular types. But in controls that's all the type. So we can take if that's if forever. Okay, so forever must put inside forever. If edge bounds, if right key is pressed, this one. Okay, so we duplicate this underneath. If left key is pressed, we put this to minus -10 or minus. So we change it. So now we only have one control which can move this. So this one you can clean up and delete all the others. Yeah, but if you see the plain white screen at the back, you don't like it. The best way to do this is go to the back. You can choose it from all the stuff in here. Let's just say we want him to walk on the blue sky, this blue sky. So let me drag him down here. So we want it to walk like this. Then walk where the costume anyway. So whenever he walks, I want him to say meow. For the sound, let's play sound meow. Meow. Play sound until done. Very annoying. Play sound. I also need to wait. Every 1 second it was. But now he's not moving fast, right? And we want it to move fast. So we can have the play sound until done. Still very slow. We can move this inside. So whenever we move, but the left is very fast.
No one touched my boiling water!
Okay, so we have gone through the motions. Now we have gone through the looks for the next costume. We have also gone through sensing, event and control. Now let's move on to pen, data and operation. More on operation. So let's get started. And first off, let's delete the script. Delete. Okay, so I want it to go to looks. I want it to say yeah, addition. For example, I want it to say 3 plus 3. Okay, for example, 3 plus the other one 3. Okay, look, 6. Does 3 plus 3 equal 6? Yeah, it's pretty correct. So let's just say 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. Yeah, that is correct. Always correct. So computer will never fail us unless you program it wrongly. So yeah. So let's go to sensing. I want to ask, what's your name? and you say what's your name, what, just say Ultra. Dang it, Ultra. And they do nothing because we never edit anything yet. So we have an answer block. I want it to say hello, join, hello, must join, put join, hello, answer. And I want it to say hello. What's your name? For example, Ultra. And say hello, Ultra. If you want spacing in the middle, just put join. Another join. We'll change this into a few space. And like this.
Okay,
So
that
let's
was
say
a nice round.
lol. Say hello, lol. So it's pretty sure. So next we move on to pen. So yeah. But before we move on to pen, let's delete this sprite. I don't want this texture background. I want it to be like this. Okay. Go to sprite. That's gonna get an apple. Let's get an apple. Apple. Click on the apple. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, not responding. Dang it. You clicked OK, and then apple will add. So we click on costume. I want it to so that there will be a pencil sticking right at the pencil apple's bottom. Let's get an apple pencil or pen if I can find a pen. Base guitar, pencil A. Okay, let's click on the pencil, turn it around. Let's just make the apple bigger. Make the apple bigger. You see, I wanted the apple to be in front, right? So we just put it up. So now it's apple. We put it like this. So now we got the apple pen. So I don't want I want it to change color. Okay. Go to looks. We change color by this color. Okay, so whenever I click that, it will change. I want it forever change color. Magic. Not doing anything. So this is what you call programming magic. But now I want it to turn like green while changing color. Wow. Now I want to we have this button on top of the cursor that makes our center point of our thing. Now we move on to pen. Pen is basically your normal pen or pencil that you have, right? There is pen up, which make your like it's a piece of paper. You write on it. That's pen down. Well, pen up, that means you write, you lift it up. So pen up. Okay, so for example, at first I want it to clear so that the screen is empty. I want it to stamp like this. What happened? Stamping. So it's like a stamp. It's moving every time. Okay, very cool, right? So if I want to sensing, I want it so to ask what's your name. I want that pen to say what's your name and wait. until you gain the answer. Can't drag it. I think it's not responding. Wait, let me solve this problem. Looks like the whole system is glitched. Yeah, the whole system is glitched. Clean up. Okay. Clean this up. And what's your name? I want to clear first before what's your name? Clear. So now it's an apple pen. I want it move like this. You think the costume's too big? We can make it smaller. Shift. You hold shift.
Oh my god,
So now it becomes big one. Now we make it smaller. Once we make it smaller, right? This point will change. I want it to be small. For example, my name is Ultra. Then it will move very fast. Now it's more faster than just now. Now I want it whenever it moves like 360. I want it to clear the thing. So, but there's no system in turning motion thing that say I want it to move. So here comes data. Data is a thing which is stored in the computer itself. So let's just say I want it to be degrees. I can name it degrees. Okay, degrees. I want to set at the start. I want it set to 0. Change degree by 15 because it turns by 15, right? Whenever it turns. And if degree, go to operation, have an equal sign, equal to 360, 360. Then if block, we have the 360. Then we put a pen so that it will clear. Yeah. So now let's restart our program. What's your name? Lols. So it'll move until look at it. Until 360 it disappears. But now it won't, cause we put it so that it never changes back to 0. And set it back to 0. So what's your name? Pop. So now it works. Done.
Oh
Now,
shit!
yeah?
I heard this.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.